Hi everybody, my name is Chris Crease. I am a professional photographer and videographer based out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I specialize in commercial photography and videography. Before we get into the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and be sure to hit the bell icon for when I upload a video. You'll be the first to be notified of when that happens and you can view it first. So the past few weeks I have been busy and I haven't been on here as much, and that is because I've been getting ready for a few events that are lining up and have happened over the past few weeks here in Tulsa. So the first thing that I was getting ready for, which was this past weekend, was a Art Start event at the Gathering Place. If you're not familiar with the Gathering Place, it is a huge park based here in Tulsa, Oklahoma on the Riverside area. It's gotten a lot of press, and to be invited to be part of their STEAM program, to come in and have the kids interact with photos that I've taken across the country has been really fun. And to talk to the parents about the different things that they've done as far as traveling, seeing the different sites across the country. It was a lot of fun to be a part of that, and that was one of the highlights of just getting this year started, being out in the community and getting to have a lot of fun while I'm out there. Putting this project together for the Art Start event was interesting in the fact that I had to curate 5 images that would work really well for the event, and looking at all the images that I did have from the different cities I've been in, coming from the DC area, living in New York for a little bit, living in Seattle for a little bit, working in LA here and there, I got to take all these images and curate this nice gallery that everybody could interact with. And so that was a lot of fun, but it was a lot of work to find the right images that told the story that I was looking to tell. I am really grateful that all the kids and the parents came out and they enjoyed themselves. And I even gave away a print of my Brooklyn Bridge image. The person who received that image, I signed it. They loved it so much. I knew I wanted to do something special, and just to see the excitement on that person's face when they took that home, it made me so happy. Now that my event at the Gathering Place is done, the next event that I'm getting ready for is PhotoCon OKC, which is hosted by Bedford's. Bedford's is the camera store that I go to when I'm here in Tulsa. They are fantastic. The service is outstanding. They have everything I need. It's been great to have a store based here in the community where I just go down to if I need something, if I need to rent equipment, if I need to purchase a lens, they have it on hand, they have it ready. So if you're in Tulsa, if you're a photographer, if you're a videographer and you need something and you need it today, go to Bedford's. This is not sponsored, but it's just, that's the kind of service that I appreciate and I want to promote. But back to PhotoCon. PhotoCon is Bedford's convention that they have in Oklahoma City. I'm going to be out there doing a talk on event photography. So if you are in the Oklahoma City, Tulsa area, be sure to check out PhotoCon. I'll put a link in the description about it and all the details. You can get your tickets there. See you there. Finally, the last big thing I have lined up right now that I can talk about is South by Southwest. I am going to be out there with Branjay. She is a fantastic musician, one of the nicest people I have had the pleasure to work with, and to be a part of her team documenting her experience at South by Southwest is going to be fantastic. I'm excited to bring along this guy, my Sony A7 III, and some other accessories and toys that I think will make this a really special experience to show you guys once everything is said and done. It's going to be a blast. I can't wait. I'm really looking forward to be in Austin and to be in South by Southwest and take a lot of photos and some really wicked video. So be sure to look out for that. As far as new equipment, there's one piece of equipment that I picked up recently and I'm really a fan of. It's this RAV Power battery bank. It's a 20,000 milliamp hour battery bank. What I love about it is that it has this digital readout about how much battery power you have left, and then the fact that it's a PD battery bank, so it's power delivery. It takes in USB-C and it can deliver USB-C. So if you're trying to charge something like your iPhone or your Android device over USB-C, it can use that USB-C cable to deliver a faster charge, or if you want to charge it up quicker, you can also use the PD charger, the USB-C charger, and plug it in to a USB power outlet, and it will work fantastic. I keep this one in the house. It keeps me charged up as I am working in different areas of the house, and it just makes my life a lot easier. It's one of my favorite battery banks that I've purchased in a long time. I would highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can get it. If you think it's for you, be sure to grab one. So that's it. That's what I've been up to for the past couple weeks and why it's kind of gotten quiet around here. I'm going to try and upload more content as things progress, but if I don't, I'm really trying here. With that said, be sure to hit the subscribe button. My name is Chris. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.